Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. First thing I have to do is to get a mosquito fire going. And we'll use, which stove do I want to use? Let's use this one. There's my pine needles. It should be enough on the floor here to get her done. And some dry leaves. I have some punk wood here that's really not all that great, so we'll use it to make smoke also. More Companion stainless, heavy duty. Arrange this in sort of a horseshoe. The wind is blowing this way. Now, all this rain we've had lately, and the air is full of mosquitoes, that should keep them away. All right, let me show you two good ways to make fire with bracket fungus. And you see I've been using off of this piece. Let's empty Bic ignite it and fire roll it. Either one of these pieces should work. That light tan interior part of the fungus. Stick it under this striker wheel. And hold it in there with your finger. You can strike it off on your palm or strike it off on the table. Let's see if that's easily repeatable. Now, on the fire roll, You need to try to crush it up, get it in powder form. What did I do with the cotton ball? Here we go. And I'll use about 10 inches. Let me go ahead and get this ignition since those are about burnt out. Well, I made a mistake. By wiping that ash off, I made this surface too wet, which in turn made the fire roll too compacted, too tight, and I had an ignition, but it snuffed itself back out. So now that moisture has absorbed in there, let's try it again. Second try. About 10 inches of cotton. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. And this roll is very hard also. I smell it. It's really not that hard with fungus. It's just because of all the moisture. I've got a water oak tree in the front yard, and every time a storm comes through, it just keeps knocking out more and more of that oak bracket fungus. Good stuff. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.